Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share with you guys a quick new modification that I bought for the F30 340i. I got this off of eBay for around $20. It's these LED projection door lights with the BMW logo. And in this video, we'll go ahead and talk about the installation process, what comes in the box, and show you guys how you can do this yourselves in under 5 minutes. So stay tuned. So when you go ahead and open the box, you're going to get 4 of these projector LED housings as well as these adapter cables. What you want to do, if you take a look inside the projector housing, you're going to see 2 prongs that you want to plug this adapter, the white end of the adapter, into. I've read that the adapter cable is not always necessary depending on the application, but it turns out for the F30, at least for the LCI that I have, that it is applicable and you need to use that cable. So let's go ahead and plug that cable in, and I'll show you guys what the final product you're going to be installing is. So once you go ahead and install the adapter cord to the projector housing, like you can see, it plugs in straight right here. You're going to go out to the car and you're going to go under the doors. Now that you're under the door, you want to take a flathead screwdriver and just pry on the side of the door light right here and just pull it out with your hands until it ends up like this. Once you unplug the connector, you can set the old door light to the side. Next, you're going to want to take your final LED door assembly and plug it in to the OEM door harness right here as such. Make sure you follow the pins, as you can see right here, from the adapter into the OEM harness. Once you're done, just tuck the assembly back up into the door panel and you're good to go. All right, everyone, take a look at the final product. That is so sweet. All from a little $20 mod. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I have more mods planned with this car and documenting the progress I make with it, as well as a few other things in mind that are not car related. I really appreciate you guys watching, and see you next time. Thanks.